now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
YouTube, we back. It's been a minute. But as you see, my oil life is draining 4,700 miles. So we are taking the Blazer in. Don't worry about the cord. Don't worry about that. I don't know what's going on. We are taking the Blazer in for the first oil change, do all of that good stuff. But also, we are getting the squeaking noise looked at. I've had a couple people DM me on Instagram saying they have a Blazer and they've been following the channel, trying to figure out like what it is to have a Blazer, what it's like. And a couple of them are reporting that their Blazer is also making the weird squeaking noise in the back that you hear when you go over bumps and all that great stuff. So I'm going to see if the dealership will figure this out. I requested a loaner card. They weren't going to give me one because it's just an oil change, but I'm like, if y'all have to try to figure out some warranty thing and some crazy squeaking noise, you might as well give me one. But yeah, Blazer looking good. And yeah, we'll come back at y'all. We'll come back at y'all when I get the report, all that good stuff. This should be free, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. And RIP to the gas. Can I fill it up? Never mind. Yeah, I'll let y'all know. Okay, we are a couple days later. I have my Blazer back from the first oil change, and when they did the work on the car, it says Chevrolet maintenance, and all that was done, completed. Customer states squeaking noise and all that, loaner, and yeah. So my oil change was free, as you see. Total due, everything was free, and they did happen to fix the squeaking. So they fixed the squeaking in the car, and the guy stated that the springs in the rear had no, I want to say grease, but he said we lubed up the springs. Pause that. He said we lubed up the springs in the back, and that fixed the squeaking. So I know some people stated that their dealership took off a trim, and it's like a warranty piece that they can slap on and it stops squeaking. But my dealership, I guess, lubed up the springs in the back, and the squeak is totally gone. I've had the car back for a couple days, so everything feels totally fine. It took them about maybe 2.5 hours to figure out the springs and complete the oil change and all the necessary 5,000 mile maintenance. So everything seems to be good. I had the Blazer RS 2020 as a loaner, and there was a lot more exhaust noise, and it seemed to be a little faster. I don't know what's changed. I will look into it. My dealer tried to tell me nothing's really changed. It seemed a little bit faster, but it might not be. It might just be one of those things like, I think a new car is faster. I don't know. But yeah, so I really just wanted to give you the update on the first oil change and maintenance done in the Chevy Blazer RS. This is a 2019. So yeah, everything seems to be fine. Oil change was free, and yeah, can't complain. Give this video a like, and let me know if you want to hear anything else about the car. I'll do my likes and dislikes pretty soon. It's snowing right now, so it's dead, but